Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the performance and power settings of Wallpaper Engine. So let's open up our control panel. If you haven't do so, double click on the system tray icon and let's navigate onto the settings tab right here. So let's click on settings and here we can see performance, general, plugins, and about. The main tab we want to worry about is the performance tab. So here we have our playback and quality settings. If you have an older system that isn't as powerful, like a really old laptop, changing some of these settings might make it help run a bit smoother. So let's start with the quality since this seems like the most straightforward. You can increase the FPS. So for example, some wallpapers will have high FPS videos, but you can limit them, or rather Wallpaper Engine by default limits them a little bit. So you can increase your quality by increasing your FPS and it just makes the video run a bit smoother. We can mouse over this warning sign and read the warning that says high FPS may slow down your PC. So if that's a problem on your computer, you can turn it down a bit. But since I'm pretty confident in my system, I'll move it over to 60 just to make it a bit smoother. There are also some presets here you can click on: low, medium, high, and ultra. Clicking on these will automatically uh, change all of the settings right displayed under quality. So anti-aliasing, this is for the jagged edges. This is for this, you'll mainly see this take effect with some rendered wallpapers and not so much the video wallpapers. So for now, I'll keep it on none. Post process is enabled. These are also baked into the wallpapers themselves. Texture resolution, high quality, shadows, volumetric lighting, and reflection. So again, most of these are for rendered wallpapers that have a 3D object that uses your system's resources to render and to be displayed versus your usual videos that automatically play, just play back. So if we scroll back up, we see our playback settings. So here you can control when Wallpaper Engine is actively displaying your wallpaper, even though it might not exactly be visible. So we can see here, other application maximized, we've set it's set to pause by default. Other application full screen, set to pause. Other application focused, keep running. So what that means is, for example, on our desktop, and then let's say we open a folder. So this folder is in focus and the wallpaper in the background is still playing. But if we maximize this by clicking on the maximize button, then that's when the wallpaper will be paused. So let's go ahead and check some other settings. We have other application playing audio, keep running. So this is an important setting if you're using an audio visualizer. That way it still plays in the background and visualizes the audio being played on your system. Display asleep. So this is when your monitor shuts off and when your PC goes into power saving mode. Laptop on battery and application rules. So here with application rules, you can create custom triggers for when things pause and play. Here we go. So say this certain application is running, then we pause it. But this certain application is playing audio or is full screen or is maximized. We can change it to mute, pause, stop, load wallpaper, load playlist, or load profile. So a creative thing you can do with this is that when you launch a certain application, it's going to change your wallpaper to a specific wallpaper. You can really get into the nitty gritty with your application rules and really fine tune your laptop or desktop's personalization level. But I won't really be messing around with that for now. So I'm just gonna go back, click on OK, and go back to Wallpaper Engine. So that's how you can change your performance and quality settings in Wallpaper Engine. This is really useful if you want to maximize your device's battery life if you're on a laptop, or just squeeze a little bit of performance out of it. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.